Test is taken.
The test is taken. My question is what was done today?
The test was taken.
The test was taken. Ji beta, please.
Whom was the test taken with you? Whom was the test taken?
Home was the test taken. We added few things yesterday. With,
By.
for,
From.
so many. And this now who? Again, home was the test taken by. Ji.
The teacher was taken.
La hawla wa la quwwata. Home was
The
the
test
test
was taken
by
teacher.
the teacher, by all the teachers, by the English teacher, by the physics teachers all. Clear? By all the teachers. By none. Where was?
Where was the test taken by the teacher?
Very good.
The test was taken by the teacher in the classroom.
Okay. So keep in mind, teacher doesn't take the test. Try to understand. Take the test. The students take the test, and the teachers give the test.
Yes.
What is clear?
Yes.
टेस्ट इम्तिहान देना, टेस्ट देना, टेक अ टेस्ट, टेस्ट लेना, गिव अ टेस्ट। याद है ये बात? इस बिल्कुल उलट है। बात याद रहेगी आपको? So the test was taken by the students or by the teacher?
By the students.
By the students, and the test was given by
The teachers.
the teacher. Very good. Honey, please.
When was the test taken by teacher?
No, test was taken not by the teacher, by the students. When was the test taken by the students? Okay.
The test was taken by the students when the period started.
When the period started, very good. Or in the physics, in different periods. No, in first 2 hours.
In free period.
In
Free period.
the free period of test. Okay, next please.
How was the test taken?
Okay.
The test was taken properly.
Properly, the test was taken properly. Very good. The test was taken successfully. How? Successfully. The test was taken successfully. How? By attempting all the questions.
The test was taken according to the rules of examination.
Absolutely right. And without cheating in the examination hall. G, please, next question,
Why
please.
was the test taken?
Okay. Why was the test taken?
The test was taken
Okay. Why?
for passing the exam.
For passing exam, no? Or it can be?
For
Please.
achieving good marks in the
Very good. For achieving what? High marks, high
Achieve.
scores, good marks.
for show their abilities.
Very good. For polishing the abilities, no? Again. And I think one more activity, then we move on to next lesson. Please. So, did you go to Nori, your village, someday? You didn't visit Nori. Okay. Did you go to the bank? No. Today or a few days back? No. You didn't go to bank. You don't know. Okay. Any place which you visited? No. Before coming to Smile today. Any place. College. Come out from the college. Mosque.
Yes.
You went to the mosque. He went to the mosque. Ask the question, please. He went to the mosque. Common sense. Please use your common sense. What kind of a question should we ask?
Whom was he?
Sorry. What was done there? Point clear?
Yes.
He went to the mosque. Ask him the question, please.
What was done?
What was done there?
The ablution was performed.
The ablution was performed. Okay?
Yes.
The ablution was performed. G.
Whom was the ablution performed with?
Okay.
The ablution was performed with Muslim brothers.
With Muslim brothers. No. G. Please.
Where was the ablution performed with?
Okay.
The ablution was performed with Muslim brothers in specific
In the specific area, in the wudu area, in the ablution area. Excellent. Now, G.
When was the ablution performed with the Muslim brother in the ablution area?
Very good. MashaAllah. G.
The ablution was performed at Zuhr prayer time.
Very good. Very good. No? Very good. At no time. No, you can say now. When I reached the mosque.
Yes.
The ablution was, you can say the ablution was performed when I reached the mosque. When I went to the mosque to offer prayer. Or when before the prayer. Before?
When
before
I
the
visited the mosque.
When I
Visited the
when I visited the mosque, when I entered the mosque. Clear? Ji, please. Sir.
When Adhan is
When the call was given. Clear? Call. C-A-L-L, no call. When the call was pronounced.